Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Joann's craft store to find some things we can use as nail artists, so let's go. I started right here to just show you guys can go in there and find all types of decor for your nail room or your nail suite just to make the environment more professional and nice. They have so much fabric there that you guys can use as backdrops to show off your nails, whether you're a nail tech and you want to put your client's nails on top of there, or you sell press-ons and you can lay your press-ons on there. You can get them for different drops, like if you're having like a Christmas drop, you can get Christmas inspired ones. If you're having a Halloween drop, you can get Halloween themed or just one plain color. They have so much there. This was my favorite, this little like brown section right here. I love them. I kind of want to go back for it. And they always run deals and they always have coupons, so yeah. I also found some desk lamps that you guys can use at your desk. There were different kinds. They're different lengths and heights. Here's some like taller ones. Maybe if you do lashes, you can put that above your client's face as they're laying on the bed. I slowed the camera down here so you can see the boxes more clear. I am not used to filming in public, so I was just going so fast and I was anxious as hell, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna get better though. But yeah, these are the desk lamps that you guys can use. They also have contact paper that you can put on your nail desk to give it like a little makeover, make it look nicer. There's marble right there. That's currently what I have on mine. I got mine from Amazon, but I like that it's there so I could just drive and get it the same day. I don't work with monomer, so I don't really have to put glass or anything over it, and it works just fine. They also had this room decor wall stuff over here that you can use in your nail studio and nail room again to make it look more nice and put together. And then they have so many brushes, you guys. You guys can use paint brushes for nail art. They had so many. Look at those little detail brushes you guys can use. Those longer brushes right there, I would cut bristles off and make it like a striping brush. But yeah, they had a variety. So if you can't find any good ones on Amazon, you can always check out your local Joann's or Michael's or just craft stores in general. Over here they did have some like organizational things. I have more at the end of the video, you'll see, but right here I'm showing you guys the acrylic paint that you can use if you don't have like a good quality gel polish that's really pigmented, or you don't want to like spend all that money on one brand. You guys can try out acrylic paint from a craft store. It doesn't need any type of gel. You just paint it on, and when it dries you can put top coat. Here are some more of them, and they were pretty cheap. Those big bottles that I just showed you, I think were like $6. There were some letter beads, and I have seen some nail techs use these by putting it on like a bar piercing. And here we are getting into glitter. There was so much glitter there. I had to like slow down the film so you guys can see everything. You guys can use glitter to encapsulate under the nail, on the nail, or you can mix it with clear acrylic and make your own glitter acrylic. And it's all very affordable, as you can see, $2–3. And the holographic ones, so pretty. They also had gold foil. I found this in like the scrapbooking section. And then they had some little mini scissors you guys can use to cut out decals and foils. And then there were so many piercings if you're extra like me and like putting piercings on your nails. They had a big variety of those as well. I found some dried flowers and also some chains you guys can put on your nails. Here are some of the hoops that you can use to put those piercings on. Then I found these, so I had two ideas with these that you guys can use. You can either, it's a string of like beads, so you can either buy it, cut the string so all the beads come off, and you can use them as charms. Or I know a lot of people are like making those card, I don't know what they're called, where you pull out the card because you have long nails. I see people like make them and they kind of look like this, so you guys can start making those if you'd like, something like that. You gotta let your imagination run wild, but I thought that this could be helpful. I found some rhinestones just in case you cannot find any more Swarovski. And then this is what I was talking about with like organization and like things you guys can put stickers in, charms, piercings, and just organize all your nail art. They have so much. These are usually made for like beads and stuff, but obviously we can find something to use them with. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I will see you guys next time.